Hello friends and my dear students, welcome to my channel Techie Krish. We have discussed more about loops, and so far we have worked on how to create the programs using while loop. And this time using this while loop, I'm going to create a program which will takes an integer from the console and checks whether the entered integer is prime or not using while loop. And for that, we are moving to Python ideally, and there we create the program. So we are moving to Python ideally. So this is Python console, and over here I'm going to create the program. So write program, enter feature, and check whether integer is a prime integer. Or not. So these are the comment lines. And after this, I'm going to take one integer. So n is equal to int input number. And since the prime number is 1, which is divisible by 1 and itself, so means 1 and itself, I'm going to discard these two integers. And other than this 1 and itself, if it is divided by any other number, then it means the number entered by you is not prime. Okay, so we'll take the counter which will divide the number by this. So I'm taking counter and initialize it by 2. And now loop I'm going to implement while counter less than n. So what is n? N is the integer which is entered by the user, and c is the counter which is initialized to 2. It means we are going to divide this number or n or the integer by 2 onwards, but not by 1 and n itself. And that is why I have taken c less than n over here. So n the value of c will go up to n minus 1 only, and c is starting from 2 as well. So I am excluding 2 and itself. I mean 1 and itself. So I am not taking c as 1, and rather I am not taking n also. So over here I'm going to divide the number if n modulo c is equal to 0, means if n is divisible by c, then we'll say print the number is not prime, and we'll jump out of this loop using break. Okay, so as soon as the program finds this that n is divisible by the counter, it means the number is not prime, so it will jump by writing the number is not prime, and it will jump out of the loop. Okay, else c is equal to c plus 1 else print the number is. Hope this is clear. I have initialized this counter to 2 and it will be incremented by 1 during this loop. So 2, 3, 4 and so on. And it will go up to n minus 1 because I have taken c less than n. And it means c less than equals to n minus 1. So I am excluding n and 1. So it will take c will take the value 2, 3, 4 and so on, and it will go up to n minus 1. So as soon as the number which you have entered gives the remainder while dividing it by counter, it gives the remainder 0, it means the number is not prime because number is not divisible by any other number except 1 and itself. So if it is divisible, then we'll say the number is not prime and we'll jump from the loop. And if it keeps on incrementing the number and dividing the number by the counter and taking the remainder, and during this process, if the remainder is not 0, then it will come automatically to the else part, because if this condition becomes false, it will automatically come to else, where it will print the number is prime. So this is how we can check the number is prime or not using the while loop. So let's run this program. Now it is taking the number. So I have entered say 31. Number is prime. And again, I am going to give another number integer to run this program. And this time I am going to give another number like 33. It's not prime. So this way we can say by using while loop, we are able to check whether the given integer is prime or not. Hope you understand the concept, and if you understand this concept, kindly share it with your friends so that they can also know how to check a number whether prime or not using the while loop. So we'll meet in the next video with some other programs or the concept. And if you have not subscribed my channel, so this is a request, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of the video as and when uploaded. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.